Hi, welcome to the Culinary Institute of Canada. I'm Chef Stephen Hunter. Today we're roasting baby red potatoes on the barbecue. It's summertime, time to get outside and do some cooking on the grill. Okay, first thing we're going to do is start with our ingredients. We've got 24 baby red potatoes, half a cup of extra virgin olive oil, 1 tablespoon of kosher salt, 2 teaspoons of fresh ground black pepper, 2 tablespoons of chopped fresh thyme, and 1 medium-sized red onion sliced thin. Okay, first thing we're going to do is we're going to add our potatoes to the bowl. This is dead easy dish to put together. We're going to add some fresh thyme, our kosher salt, our black pepper, then we're going to add our sliced red onion. Then we'll drizzle about half a cup of extra virgin olive oil over everything, and we're going to toss that all together so everything's evenly coated. Then we're going to lay it out on a foil packet in a nice even layer so it cooks evenly. Okay, you want to make sure your packet is nice and tight. You're going to fold it from the bottom, top, and then roll in the sides so you have a nice tight packet. I've got 2 layers of foil. That's going to be easy to move around on the barbecue and flip without your potatoes coming out. All right, it's ready to go. Let's take it outside and get cooking on the grill. Okay, our grill's preheated and cleaned and ready to go. We're going to put our potatoes on there. We can just slide them on. We've got medium heat. Okay. This is going to take about 20 minutes to cook. We're going to flip it a couple times while it's cooking. You can hear it starting to sizzle as soon as it hits the grill. I'm going to close that up. Okay, we're going to see how we're making out here. They've been in there for a while. We're going to test, see how oh, look at that. Fantastic. They look wonderful. Nice and tender. The onions in there are all caramelized. And you can see the herbs on there. It's beautiful. We've got our roasted baby red potatoes are ready to go. They're nicely caramelized. You can see the color on those. They're cooked. They're hot. They smell fantastic. Okay, it's time to eat. And there you have it. We've got some beautiful roasted red potatoes. They've been roasted with red onion and thyme, olive oil, salt, and pepper. They're delicious. They're going with some marinated chicken kebabs and a nice salad to round out this beautiful barbecue.